Greetings, movie family. I hope I find you well. Like I promised you, I said I'll share with you what do you do now that you have created your purpose chart or vision board. I want you to just listen to me for a few minutes because I'm going to share with you 5 key steps to your restored purpose. 5 key steps that I would like to share with you. How do you move from the first step to the next step to the last step? And one thing I want you to bear in mind is that your purpose is personal and it is not just accidental what you went through. What God has brought you to in this experience has really prepared you for this particular transition and progression. Your pain, your background, your burdens, they were not random. They were actually prepared by God for this moment. And so here are the ingredients that really redeem your brokenness and redirect you into the life that you are meant to live. So your restored purpose has to look at how do you think about what you have gone through, define why you have to do what you have to do, specifically what God has given you. What is the God-given passion that is burning in you? What injustice or a need bothers you deeply that you feel you must do something about it? So collect some information, get clarity on who should you target, who's your audience, and what is your message. And by that we mean, who are you called to serve? Identify your age group, identify the niche area, look at the context of who you're supposed to be serving, and who are you called to serve? What knowledge or tools or resources do you need to be able to do that? Research is part of revelation. Seek for wisdom. Don't just follow your feelings and your passion. Find knowledge to blend with your passion so that you just don't burn with passion, but you are saturated with knowledge. Stage number 3 is then to create. Start with what you have. God said to Moses, what is in your hand? And Moses said, a rod, and God said, cast it down. And he was just trying to demonstrate to Moses that God can take the little you have and make it much. So what small thing do you have today? For me, I took the small house I have, I took the small resource kit I had to buy the equipment I needed, and I started. I still don't have a studio, but I'm creating every product every person who has a studio is able to create. Not that I don't need the studio, but I'm starting where I am. You may not have a microphone that's broadcast or a sound desk that's broadcast, but you have a cell phone that records audio. Use that. Maybe you have a space, like I said, I had a small house, I used that. Maybe it's your talent or whatever it is you have. Don't despise the day of your small beginnings. That's what Zechariah chapter 4 verse 10 says. And also correct, refine through your reflection as you pilot, as you start. The best way to learn is to do. Go and do about it, and as you learn about it, you then can review and fix and refine. You can evaluate what's working and what's not working, and you must be willing to change and to pivot based on what godly counsel you get. Proverbs chapter 15 verse 22 says, without counsel purposes are disappointed. So find counsel. In the multitudes of counsel there's wisdom. Then finally, connect. And by connection, we mean submit to God and share your vision and your services boldly without apology, because there's no one else like you. Yes, you may be all videographers, but there's only one videographer who is you, who has the style, the touch, the taste, the expertise that you have. So be bold and follow your purpose. Purpose is fulfilled through impact. Don't say I'm a person of purpose, I'm living a purpose-driven life, when your life has no purpose at all and your life has no impact, or should I say your purpose has not impacted people. Your purpose must impact people. So share, teach, serve, lead. Don't bury your talent. Purpose must be God aligned, not ego driven. So with this, my friends, I'm praying and hoping that God will bless you and will help you as you begin to take your vision board forward by these five steps: think, collect, create, correct, and then connect with people. God bless you. Amen.